just a quick video showing the effects of moving the choke on an engine. Right now it's at operating temperature, and I've got a vacuum gauge right there. I'm going to open the choke. Okay, it stalled the engine. I don't want to go that far. I know the idle is extremely high. That lowers the vacuum. That increased it. That lowers it again. Watch the needle. Lights it there. So basically, as you could see, at 45 degrees of choke opening, I'm getting about, what's that, 0.6, yeah, 0.6, whatever unit that is. You see, it's stupid plastic sight, it goes blurry. If it was glass, you could see it, but now you can't. So, but it is 0.6. And then if I close it too much, if I close it to about there, or if I open it to almost fully open, that's fully open right there. But I stalled the engine when I opened it all the way. So maybe 15 degrees from fully open. So at almost fully open or almost fully closed, the vacuum would drop down to 0.4. And really, you want the engine to have as much vacuum as possible. That's the rule of thumb for tuning the engine using the vacuum gauge. Yeah, so I just wanted to show you that, and I'll experiment with another main jet size, and we'll see what effects that has on the choke.